Now, scenario is like that. Mm, You understood the meaning of pull request, right?
Yes.
So, whenever any developer pushes their
Mm-hmm.
code or create a PR, it comes over here for the completion. But what
Mm-hmm.
happens sometime? They face the issue of merge conflict. Now, what is the meaning of merge conflict and how do you resolve it? These two questions. So, when people face the merge conflict, see, suppose I'll show you. I'll try to face a merge conflict over here. The project. So, this is the project that I cloned, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll go to the index.html and story names. I'll change something over here. Imagine a new developer is there who did some changes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
DevOps. He did some changes. He commit and commit those changes in the main branch. Imagine there is a developer, you and me. You
Mm-hmm.
already have your data in your local of this project. I also have this data local in my project. And you were doing some changes and suddenly you come suddenly what happened? I push some changes like these changes, right? But does this changes you have?
No.
No, right? You have this old man,
Mm-hmm.
right? So what happened in that case? Uh, let's go back to our main branch. Okay, this is a old man, and new changes has already been into this new man. Okay, I did it and I submitted it, but you don't have this one in your local, and you have no idea also. But
Mm-hmm.
this man is pretty old. That's why. Now what you did, you let's we are doing everything on men for now. Okay,
Okay.
you went to index.html and then you did your changes over here on that same line of the same file anywhere you can do. Okay, for DevOps test. Okay, and saved it. You did two changes. We have two changes. We saved it and it's time to push these changes. To push it, we do get. First, let's check the status. Get status. To file got modified. We'll do get add dot. We'll do get commit hyphen m and the commit name. This is for testing. We did the commit as well, and then let's push it. Get push hyphen u origin main. Now see,
Mm-hmm.
it is getting rejected.
Yeah.
Why? What could be the cause?
Mm, no, maybe I think you should use get checkout B product, right? Sorry, B prod, right?
That's a branch thing. Okay, so that is
Okay.
not related because
Okay.
even if you'll do that in that branch, okay, that
Mm-hmm.
branch you'll be able to push it. Okay, but when you
Okay.
will go to merge your branch to main branch,
Mm-hmm.
it will again
Mm-hmm.
show this rejected because your main cannot be merged with the main that is available here.
Mm-hmm.
The issue is simple. This changes is contradicting to your changes. Do you have this change over here?
No.
No. So
Mm-hmm.
how will it merge your changes? Like,
Yeah.
it simply means you are rejecting my changes,
Mm-hmm.
right? Your code
Yeah.
is not having this one, basically means you are rejecting my changes. So Git
Mm-hmm.
got confused over here. Should I accept your code, or should he already accepted my code? Or should I reject the accepted code? Accepted code cannot be rejected, right?
Yeah.
Because this is already accepted before your changes. So
Mm-hmm.
your code will be rejected. And that's
Mm-hmm.
sorry to say. So once your code is getting rejected, it basically means you are facing this phenomena is known as merge conflict. There's a conflict between the code which is already accepted and the code that you are pushing. So what is the resolution of this one? Resolution is whenever you face this merge conflict, your
Mm-hmm.
first task should be get the current code from the origin. And for that, you need to do git pull.
Okay.
Git pull takes all the current changes that
Mm-hmm.
me or anybody else has done, basically this change, to your local, which means you accepted my changes. Instead of rejecting, you accepted my changes now. I'll do enter. Okay. And now it is saying what? Okay. Git merge this. Please enter a commit message to explain why this merge is necessary, especially if it is merge. So you just need to put a message over here. You did the
Okay.
git pull, right? Git pull means
Mm-hmm.
you accepted my changes. Now
Yeah.
you want to merge your changes with my changes. So just mm, 1 second. Now see, this is getting merged now. You did the git pull, one file
Mm-hmm.
inserted. Now if I'll see my local, see story names for DevOps. And my changes is also. Now let me go over here. Here it is only background, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what changes we did? Background for the DevOps side.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just refresh. Okay.
Yeah.
So you got my changes in your local.
Mm-hmm.
Once you got my changes and your changes is already here, I should be
Mm-hmm.
allowed to push your changes now. And see, right now it does not rejected whatever I did.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go over here. It's still background. Let's refresh it. See, background for DevOps test.
Yeah.
So understood the scenario?
Yeah.
This is called the merge conflict, and very common. Developers get very much confused. Even with the people with 1 year of experience could not resolve this one and don't know how to resolve it. So
Okay.
the very best thing to resolve it, always say to the developers that you take the latest min. If you go with the
Mm-hmm.
latest min, you will not face this issue. But if you are
Mm-hmm.
working with the old men, then you will definitely face this issue. So if you are
Mm-hmm.
facing this issue, first of all, update your main by doing the command git pull. Git pull will bring all the latest changes and it will show how many changes has been done in which file. Once you got the
Mm-hmm.
latest changes, now you push your command or whatever changes you have done, it will be accepted.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So these are the pretty common things, and basic git commands we have looked into that one as well. Anything else left? You understood how to pull. Okay, there's a one more command. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
which is basically the same: git fetch and
Yeah.
git pull. Okay,
No.
git pull is already contain fetch inside it. So
Mm-hmm.
git fetch, you are just telling your men that new changes is about to come, but it will not merge it any changes until you do git pull.
Okay.
So git pull is a final task. See, already up to date it.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you do git pull, you need not to do git fetch. But if
Okay.
you have done git fetch, you have to do git pull.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I would request practice up to this much. Get clear with
Yeah.
the previous. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I could add more, but I don't want to overburden, because once you will understand this part, from the next class
Mm-hmm.
we'll start our new topic, which will include Git with some other thing, other tool. Okay. There
Okay.
will be interrelation with every tool with Git. Okay.
Okay.
Most
Yeah.
of the time I'll ask you to do all the push the command, take the command, do
Oh.
change the branch. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just practice it because
Yeah.
even I'm telling like I'm not able to get it like completely.
I totally understand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what do we have discussed today? We looked into the Git stash part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me mention over here
Okay.
because it was not got recorded. Git stash, which basically means it will store your changes to the buffer zone. And if I want to
Okay.
get back those changes, I will do git stash pop.
Okay.
Okay. Which will bring all
Mm-hmm.
those changes. Then after we looked into a single command which will create a branch and checkout as well. So that is
Mm-hmm.
git checkout hyphen b and your new branch name. Okay. Let it be 10. So it is a new branch which will be created and check out at the same moment. And then we looked into the git pull command,
Mm-hmm.
which basically pulls the latest changes in which is in the remote repository to your local. Okay. And then we looked into a scenario of merge
Mm-hmm.
conflict and how to resolve it as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So just revise up to this much. Once you are pretty much confident, okay,
Mm-hmm.
that I basically know what to do from the starting till the ending, or what will be my approach if a hotfix come, or what will be my approach if a merge conflict arise.
Mm-hmm.
So if you could answer all these things, we'll be pretty much good to go for the next class.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Apply all your things in my repository too. I'll send you the repository of my Python.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm, Good. Copy. Should I share you in the chat or in the WhatsApp? This repository link?
Can you share in the WhatsApp?
Okay. I'll do that in the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay. After this class, I'll do it in the WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. And let me stop it.